Never so close, so close at hand. Lord, these men are hungry. There just hasn't been enough, and the journey's been so rough. And Lord, these men are hurting, begging for me to go back as the plagues beneath them crack. And I know it's my responsibility, but I'm starving to, and I hurt I do, and I'm lost. And I believe in my responsibility, but I need to see if the fruits will be worth the cost. So I'm begging you, Lord, you gotta stop. Take a look at the children who believe in this promised land. Have mercy, Lord. Oh, stop. Shine your light on these children who have faith in your guiding hand. Begging, Lord, when I ride this sea, turn to me for a sign. I believe in my responsibility, but I can't be sure when it's time for the light to shine. I'm begging you, Lord, to make it stop. Take a look at the children who believe in this promised land. Have mercy, Lord. But there's no place else.